Celtic armies had highly advanced metal weapons for the time. Their warriors would have been armed with iron longswords and spears with advanced tips. They also used large oak shields that covered their entire body, and helmets with cheek guards and knobs on the top. Celtic warriors would have only worn light clothing as armour, or nothing at all. Naked Celts in battle may seem like a myth, but it's actually true. They would have fought naked for ritual purposes or just to invoke fear. In the British Isles, they also believed that their Celtic woad paintings would have been all the protection they needed. The Celts may have also invented chainmail, however this would have only been used by elite warriors. Many of the advanced weapons of the time came from the Celts and spread when they raided into Italy. The Etruscan and other Latin cultures of the time were greatly impressed by the Celtic weapons and tactics. Typical Roman style of soldier would have been greatly influenced by the Celts, such as iron knobs on helmets, large shields that covered their entire body. The Romans called these shields scutum shields. This itself derived from the Celtic word sciaf, meaning shield or shoulder. The Roman word for spear, lancia and manturis, known in England as lance, and pike, derived from the Celtic language also. As the Bronze Age ended and the Iron Age started, chariots fell out of fashion. However, the Celts kept this tradition going. Celtic tactics were simple but effective. Before combat, they would roar and perform war dances while deafening their enemy with war trumpets. This was not only to invoke fear, but also to boost the morale of the Celtic armies. They would attack their enemy by using throwing spears from a distance and harassing them, while their horses would attack from the flanks. Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer and comprehensive video.